Story of the Rotator Cuff Muscles. In a kingdom nestled deep within a young adventurer's shoulder, a vibrant and enchanting world existed. Here, the Shoulder Kingdom was ruled by four valiant and extraordinary characters, the Rotator Cuff Muscles. These remarkable beings were responsible for safeguarding the shoulder and ensuring it moved gracefully and without pain. Meet Joao the supraspinatus, the leader of the Rotator Cuff Muscles. Joao was strong, wise, and always looked out for the other muscles. His job was to initiate the lifting of the arm, like a brave knight raising a flag. Then there was Andre the teres minor, the quick and agile muscle. Andre loved to help with rotating the arm outward, just like a skilled archer aiming an arrow. Juan the infraspinatus was the jolly one, bringing laughter to the group. Juan's specialty was also rotating the arm outward, making it as smooth as a well-oiled machine. Finally, there was Ivan, the subscapularis, the nurturing and protective muscle. Ivan's duty was to keep the arm close to the body and help with internal rotation, much like a guardian wrapping a precious gift. In the peaceful times of the Shoulder Kingdom, the rotator cuff muscles would work together harmoniously, allowing the young adventurer they protected to move freely and engage in all sorts of activities. From playing catch to reaching high shelves, the muscles were always there, working silently behind the scenes. However, one day, a mischievous troublemaker named Gabriel arrived, causing havoc. He wanted to disrupt the harmony of the Shoulder Kingdom and give the young adventurer pain and discomfort. Gabriel first targeted Joao the supraspinatus, weakening his strength. Without Joao's guidance, the young adventurer's arm felt heavy and lost its full range of motion. But the rotator cuff muscles were not ready to give up. Andre, Juan, and Ivan joined forces and devised a plan. They worked together to take over Joao's duties, compensating for his weakness. Each muscle supported the others, just like friends leaning on each other. Joao, inspired by his friend's determination, gradually regained his strength. As the young adventurer followed a regimen of exercises and stretches, the rotator cuff muscles grew stronger together. With the combined efforts of all four muscles, the shoulder began to heal and regain its former glory. Gabriel's mischief was no match for the united strength of the rotator cuff muscles. The Shoulder Kingdom was restored to peace, and the young adventurer learned a valuable lesson, that even in the face of challenges, teamwork and perseverance can overcome any obstacle. From that day forward, the young adventurer treated their rotator cuff muscles with care, always remembering the brave guardians who worked tirelessly to keep their shoulders safe. And in the Shoulder Kingdom, the rotator cuff muscles continued to stand strong, teaching everyone the importance of unity and the incredible power of working together.